What's cracking, guys? So it's Friday, it's 8 p.m. I've been watching Suits all day long, so my mind is kind of like, I'm a ghost. But now it's time to get to work, and I'm gonna start with this video, then I will edit it, render it, post it, and in the meantime, I will be making my coachings, making my emails and stuff. And so, yes, I'm just gonna work a couple hours today, whatever. It's how I roll. Someday I don't work, someday I work. And today we are going to see how you can have a recurring revenue every month with money online, because that's not really, you probably don't have the full picture right now with recurring money. And that for that reason is because internet marketer don't give you the full picture, because the full picture kind of sucks. So prepare to suck. Not you, but in your pants. What doesn't make sense. I don't know what I'm saying. Just like I told you, I've been watching Suits for all day, so my mind is not really 100%. But mainly, the thing when you're sending emails, when you're selling stuff online, for example, you are selling an infomercial product, you are selling a digital product, a course, a PDF, you're selling whatever, all right? You're selling a physical product, whatever it is that you are selling, right? So someone gets on the sales page, right? And they give you the money to get for your product, okay? So yes, you made a sale. For example, this month you can do 1,000 bucks in sale passively, or 2,000, 10,000, 20,000. But the thing is, how do you make sure that you get that money every month? Because that person just bought your product. That person doesn't need to buy your product again, right? If you build your business correctly, you will have another offer right there, You will give them another offer right here so that they can give you some more money. But you might not, all right? So that person buys your shit. Now that person doesn't need to buy your shit, okay? So that's one down. Then let's say that another person buys your shit. That's two down. A third one, three down. You see what I'm saying? How do you make sure that you keep on having repeated customers? How do you make sure that people keep on buying your shit? For example, you have an Instagram account. You have 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 followers. And you make a post that you're selling this digital product, okay? And you put the link to your product. So people click on it, they get on your sales page, and some will buy. But guess what? You will make a lot of sales in the first 24 to 72 hours, then it will start to die out because the people who wanted your product got it. And that's it. So the way to avoid this is either to have a huge audience and only show your offer to a small portion of your audience, or to have another system in place, which we're going to talk about in a minute. And you probably don't have a huge audience. I don't have a huge audience. And I have a YouTube channel with millions of views on it. I have 60,000 subscribers on that YouTube channel. But I don't have a big YouTube channel. When I'm saying a big audience, I'm talking about hundreds of thousands of people following you. Like thousands of people following you, that's not a big audience. You can make very good money with this. But the goal is to make very good money every month. So how do you do that? How do you create something like this? Well, it's actually very simple. When we know that the most important that you gotta do is to show your offer to a lot of people. The more people see that offer, the more you will sell, okay? It's kind of simple, right? It's kind of fucking clear. The more people get there, the more you will get in money sold, okay? If you show that, for example, let's say you have 10,000 Instagram followers, whatever, you make a launch, you're probably gonna make maybe 1,000, 2,000, even 3,000, depending on your niche. But you could do that amount of money in a week, in a day, in 20 days, whatever. But at some point, it will start to go down because most people have already gone through. They've already bought your shit. You've probably noticed that in your own business. For example, first month, you didn't make no money. Second month, you made like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 bucks. But then you didn't make any sale. Why? Because everybody bought your shit. Okay? So what you need to do is not to do launch and to just have a product that is hanging there like, hey, I have this product, buy it. That shit doesn't work. You need to sell every single person that gets in contact with you. That's how you make recurring revenue. It is by building email funnels. It is by building funnels that will get people to that sales page. All right? That's how you make sales in a recurring way every month. For example, let's take my own business. I'm making between 1,000 to 2,000 completely passively, 100% passively with my email funnels. And I only have in that email funnel like between 1,000 to 2,000 email addresses every month. And I stack them every month. And since the last 2 to 5 months, I can have much more income because I have different funnel at the same time. So the whole goal is to create stuff like this. It is to create funnel that will get people to your sales page, and then to have as many as possible that go to that sales page. That's how you will create recurring revenue. For example, month 1, you will put all the people that get in contact with you. For example, you take their email addresses, you just take their email information, or you give them a free guide, or you give them a survey, whatever the fuck you do. But you get email addresses of people. Why email addresses? Because that's the best way to get in contact with people. When you make a video, you don't talk directly to people. It's always better to have their email address. Secondly, if you want to build that, if you find a funnel that works well, you can actually take the email addresses of the people that were in that funnel, go on Facebook, ask Facebook to do a lookalike audience, meaning you just take the email address that you got in that funnel, you ask Facebook to look at those email addresses and to build an audience of thousands of people that are looking similar to those persons in your email funnel that you got a good result from. All right, so that will enable you to build something big. Okay, so that's really important to have email addresses. That's how Facebook works. So month 1, you put people in that funnel, okay, and you test it and you see how it works. Month 2, you will put people in that next email funnel, all right, and you see how it goes. And some people will be there, others will already be there, others won't buy, others will buy, whatever the fuck. The whole goal is to create funnels in which you make offers to people so that they stay interested in your business. Look, it's actually quite simple. So let's say you have 10,000 followers on Instagram or on YouTube or wherever you have followers, okay? Everywhere you have eyeballs on you. New people will discover you, and so new people will want your information. They will want to know a summary of everything you have to give them, of all of your information, of your free content, right? They will want that. So if you offer it to them, like a free guide, free PDF, free course, whatever, you offer it to them in exchange for their email addresses, meaning you tell them, hey, I want to give you that free guide because that's gonna help you the fuck out. Just give me your email address and I'll send it to that email address. So they give it to you, you put that email address on that funnel, and that's how you go with it. So a new person, for example, month 1, 500 people discover you and they take your free guide. So they get in that funnel. So in month 1, you will be selling automatically, passively to 500 people. That means that you could potentially make a lot of sales from those 500 people. The next month, if everything goes good, you're probably gonna have again 500 new people interested in your products and services and in your information, in your content. So you will start selling to 500 new people, okay? But the thing is, when you build good email funnel, you can actually have stuff like this that can last 1 to 3 months. It's actually quite easy to build stuff like this. So first month, you put 500 people there. Second month, you put 500 people there, but the people of the first month are still in that funnel. They're still getting pitched. That you're still making them offers, but it's passive because you've already built all those offers. You've already written the emails that you want to be sending them, right? So in month 2, yes, you're selling to 500 new people, but you're still selling to the old 500 people, right? And then in month 3, you will have again 500 new people. But guess what? Well, you've probably guessed it. You've probably guessed it. The 500 people there might still be in there. The 500 people there might still be in there, and then you have 500 new people. So in month 3, you're actually selling to 1,500 people. And that's how you can create recurring revenue. You just create email funnels that are automatic. You don't have to worry about them, like it's all set up. You've already written all the emails and stuff, so you don't have to be like always doing shit. You can just go with the flow. You can just like, you write your emails, you put them in your email software, then you just let that there. You create your content, and that's all you do. So you might be like, okay, so I write emails. How does this work? Super simple. Super simple. So you offer a free guide in exchange for email address. So in your first email, you will send them your PDF. You send them the PDF. You send them the free shit you want to give them, okay? Make sure it's good. If it sucks, they won't buy. If it's good, they might buy. But the thing is, you got to make them understand that you are going to help them. So don't make that shit about you. The worst thing you can do is to be like, I'm a big shot. I've actually saw that in a email marketer, and his whole business is about how he is cool as shit. And I'm never gonna buy from that dude. And most guys that I know in email marketing and internet marketing will never buy from that dude. And the reason for this is that he makes his whole business about him. A business is not about you. Your business is not about you. Your business is about your customer. And so that looks cool, right? It's like, yeah, it's about the customer and shit, but that sucks balls. It means that you need to do what the customer wants you to do. And ethically, it's actually quite hard for me because I'm in fitness. People want to do fast diet. They want to do they want to do exercise programs and all that stuff. And as a fitness coach, I know that it's bullshit. I know it's bullshit. So my thing is, do I do the right thing as a fitness coach? Or do I do the right thing as a marketer? That's my issue there. But, even if I suck as a marketer in the fitness because I have too much like pride to do the marketing thing, because I'm not selling training programs, I'm not selling fast diet, I'm selling tough shit to sell, and I'm selling it very expensively. And PDFs, guys. I write PDFs in fitness. I don't sell programs. So anyway, yes, you make good shit. You make them understand how it works, basically, how your business works. And when I say your business works, I mean how you help other people. So you see the difference between how you're cool and how you help other people. Don't tell them you're cool. Show them that you're cool by showing them how you've helped other people. That's how you show people that you're cool. Like, think about I don't know, like, the cool kid. Does the cool kid comes up and is like, I'm so cool? Or does that cool kid just do cool stuff? Yeah, he does cool stuff. Look at Elon Musk. Does he say he's cool? Fuck no. But is he doing something cool? Fuck yeah. And that's why we think he is cool. When I say cool, it's actually kind of not cool, but you know what I mean. Help them. It's always the same shit, guys. Just help them, and they will give you money, and they will want you to help them more. That's simple. So you send them your PDF where you help them big time, and then you can just write your emails. So first email, hey John, so you asked for that free guide. Here it is. Just like enjoy. Let me know what you think. See you soon. Bye. End of first email. Second email, it's up to you. You can either make an email where you introduce yourself by helping them, and the best way that I found to help them is actually introduce myself by showing them my own weaknesses, my own issues, and how I solve them. For example, a good email funnel that is working right now is my 7 biggest mistakes that I've done with fitness. That's actually a very good a video. It's actually a very good video. It's not a high quality video. It's just me like talking, hey guys, so yes, I've made mistakes. So it's not a great fitness video, but that talks to my audience, you know. They like it because they will feel connected to you, and it's all about connecting with your audience. So that to me is a great thing. Telling them, hey, I fucking sucked balls before. I was probably worse than you, but I've succeeded, and I want to help you succeed. Best pitch ever. So you can introduce yourself, or you can just like, I don't know, sell them shit. The best way to go about this is just, for example, if you really want to make money fast, is to introduce yourself and then pitch a coaching program for very cheap. That's the best way to get started. A pain in the ass, but really effective way to get started. So it's really up to you. You can really write what you want. I strongly suggest you test different shit. But mainly, you send an email where you talk about stuff, about how you can help them. You send another email after that. You keep on talking about how you help them. And you pick a subject for every email. I mean, it's not rocket science. You just have to try a bunch of stuff and see what sticks in the wall. Like you put your pasta ball, you take your pasta ball, you fucking throw it at the wall, and you look which pasta is still sticking. When you see a pasta that is sticking, you keep it. So how do you see that? Simple. You look at what are the emails that have the most open rate and click-through rate. In tomorrow's video, in part 2, we will see how you build those email funnels, how you can make them last up to 3 to 4 months, and so how you can, you know, create income with people 4 months later automatically without having to do promotions or anything like this. So hang tight, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified tomorrow of the video that I will be launching. It's gonna be a great video, so make sure that you see it. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Tschüss, peace out.